I'm here with a video where we will discuss another platform which is totally free but with limitations. You will get the most latest models like Claude models, ChatGPT models, and the other Kimi models like K3 and GLM2 models. These are all the open source models and also ChatGPT model as well. You will get access of all these models at this platform. I have provided you the another platform like clean.bot which provides you also the coding agent as well. In the previous video you can watch that one video which will be helpful for you. And now the platform is KeelCode. KeelCode platform provides you the latest models and the market trending models, and if you can click to the documentation, it will provide you everything, and the installation method is here. So you just need to run these commands. After that you will be access these models. And now first of all we can click to the dashboard, because I have already logged in, and click to the dashboard. I have used these things like these tokens, and the remaining tokens are here. And click to settings. I can first of all after logout I can discuss you about everything from the start. Okay, and go to the official site. Like you will see the start building free, and the coding agent is here. And now one loop agent for your entire stack. It means the only one loop agent will perform your task and complete your stack or complete your task by using that agent. Powerful system and design both as one. Powerful system, if you want to build a powerful system, it will provide you as one all-in-one. Everything is here at this platform. And you need, if you want to integrate these things like Slack, Linear, ChatGPT, Supabase or Forsell, it's up to you. You can integrate these platforms as well. Click to start building free, and it will give you the platforms. I can select the Google platform. After login you will see the screen, and in start you will get the 0 requests, 0 tokens, and $11 credits in the start. And the per day limit is $1 limit for ChatGPT and Claude models, and $10 per day limit for the open model like Kimi model, DeepSeek model, and Queen models as well. These are all the models which will provide you everything in $10 free for the day. Okay, now we can discuss again how we can integrate. For that you can click to the run and then start with the CLI. For the CLI you will run the command first. The one will not available most probably, so for that you can go to the bun.com at docs and installation route. It will provide you the command where you will access to run the command of this platform like KeelCode. Okay, and now I have the Mac OS. If you want to use for the other platform, you can select them and then copy the command and open the terminal of your system, terminal or cmd command, and then select this one and paste here. I have already installed, that's why I'm not running again. After that you can just run the KeelCode, and then your application coding agent is now opened, and it's login. It's already logged in. I can log out again and provide you the login method, how you can log in this platform. For that just run this command KeelCode. It will redirect to your browser where you will approve the CLI. After approval, CLI approved, you can return to your terminal, and in the terminal you will be access everything. For that slash models, you can select the model like Kimi K3 or ChatGPT model or Kimi models, and other than models like GLM and DeepSeek models are here. Select ChatGPT. First of all I can go to the request and all over the things like overview. In the overview you can see the daily API credits are here. ChatGPT plus Claude have limit $1 per day, and they have left $0.98. Now I am using again the ChatGPT and say hi. It will consume the credits. Now it provided the result like hi how can I help? So we can refresh the browser. You can see here 0.96 credits are remaining. It means it uses the ChatGPT model and automatically deduction of the credits or tokens are mentioned at the dashboard. If you can select another model, okay, I can open the models option and then select the open models and say hi. It will provide the result, but the code tokens will be deducted from the open models, and I can refresh the page, and now the tokens are deducted from the open weight models, and remaining dollars credits limit is here, like $10.95. You will get the daily $11 per day, which is very powerful and very beneficial for you. You can use it, and please like, share and subscribe my video, because I will come back with another methods, AI methods and development methods as well. Stay with us. Bye bye.